Don't push me, sir. Don't push me.
Who the hell are you?
What's your problem, man? Get up. Stop. Stop.
What are you doing, dude? What the f are you doing, dude? What the hell's your problem?
Resist.
I'm not resisting, dude. What the f is your...
Do not lean like that to the sergeant.
There's no need to try to run away. I don't know why you would do that.
Like this?
Do not lean at the sergeant
No,
like that.
shut the f up, okay? Why the f did you just do that?
Do not lean at the sergeant like that.
Ass,
We'll do it. Come on.
No.
Come on.
Right now?
Come on.
Okay, you gotta get the
Step up. No, step up.
All
All right, let's go. 10-15, signal 1.
Dude,
and resisting.
Shut the f up. I didn't do anything right now.
Hold on. Let me check you. Okay, all right, we're good. Stop.
Am I resisting?
Yes, you are.
Stop resisting.
Oh, I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
Oh, okay, hold on.
A simple traffic stop slowly turns into complete chaos. Sergeant Hager pulls over a driver for a move-over violation. But the driver immediately denies being pulled over, even though the patrol lights were on for a long distance. When the officer asks for his license, registration, and insurance, the driver keeps arguing and refuses to provide any documents. The officer gives multiple warnings, but the driver continues to be uncooperative. When he's asked to step out of the car, he starts resisting physically. Backup arrives, and officers struggle to get him under control as he keeps shouting, leaning away, and refusing to get inside the patrol car even after being handcuffed.
Leaning your...
You guys, you didn't pull me over. Okay. You guys didn't pull me over, then you.
Okay.
I'm fine.
1, 2, 3. Stop. Why are you doing this?
Ow, dude.
Why would you do that?
Why would you do that for me, dude? Why
are you doing this?
Trying to help me?
We're trying to put you inside the car.
What's going on here,
He's
dude?
telling you to get inside the car.
Oh,
He's trying to stage
just leave it out.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. What the f are you guys doing to me, dude?
He's trying to tell you to get inside the car.
Over right there.
Okay, get inside the car.
No, you get inside the car.
At this point, you're going to...
Dude.
What are you doing?
Get out of here.
Hold him down. Hold him down.
Okay. Oh, you guys are resisting.
Stop.
You guys are resisting.
Stop.
You guys, what do you need?
You ready?
Yeah, just give me the jelly. Here. Right here. Okay.
Watch your head.
Oh, watch my head?
He's gonna swing it at the door. Watch his head.
Watch my head. Hold
Let's
on.
pull him this way. Pull him this way, Tommy.
Just lift him up, bro.
That's what we were trying to do. Ready? Go.
Get in the damn gun. Oh, wow. Oh, okay, there you go. Let me get that first aid kit, bitch. Okay, thanks. This shit ain't gonna close. This shit ain't gonna... You're gonna break my head? Oh, okay, yeah, that's good. That's really great, bro. Thank you. Thanks. Okay, that's great. Oh, wow. That's not cool. Dude, no, you. Bro, lift up. Sorry,
Sit
dude.
up.
No, I
Just
don't
sit up.
lift, dude.
Sit up.
I do not.
Hey,
What the f is going
you're gonna get tased. You put your feet forward. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get
I am
tased.
tased,
Put your
dude.
feet forward.
Dude, my feet are forward.
Put your
right
feet
now.
forward. You're gonna get tased.
They're right forward.
Stop resisting. Sit up. Pull
I
him.
haven't resisted
Stop resisting.
at all, dude.
Okay?
Shut the f
Pull your body
I
back.
resisted.
Pull your body back. You're not stupid. Move your
Okay,
feet.
move my feet.
Move your feet.
Bro, look. I can't. Mom, they're f***ing handcuffed, bro. Dude, they're f***ing handcuffed. You stupid son of a bitch, bro. They're handcuffed.
You're gonna get tased.
Dude, I'm already tased, bro.
Get inside the car.
Okay, I'm inside.
Get inside the car.
You already put me inside the
Get
car.
inside the car.
Why do I have to do this?
Stop resisting. Get in the car. We're gonna tase you.
Next one is gonna be a taser. You
I don't know
move.
what this is about, bro.
Next one's gonna be a taser.
I don't know what
car.
this is about, bro.
The next one's gonna be a taser. Sit back.
I'm right there.
Keep moving back.
Boom. Sorry, guys.
15.
Shut the f
After a long, chaotic struggle, officers finally secure him in the cruiser. The driver ends up facing charges like DUI, resisting arrest, and battery on law enforcement. This case shows how quickly things can escalate when someone refuses simple instructions. Staying calm, cooperating, and communicating clearly can prevent a minor traffic stop from turning into a serious legal situation. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real case studies just like this.